What's going on YouTube? Official Keith here. Tonight we are unboxing two Poetic cases for tablets. Now the tablets in question will first be for the Tab S7 Plus, which is the tablet that I have, and the second case will be for the Galaxy Tab A7. Now, excuse me, I don't have an A7 as far as the tablet itself, but we're still going to unbox this and give our thoughts on both of these cases. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it. We're going to start off with the Tab S7 Plus, and we're going to open this bad boy up here. Easy open. Nothing in the box. Has a plastic. Oh, it has a screen protector accessory. That's cool. It came with that. So let's get into the main part, which this is the case right here. So as you can see, we're going to tilt the camera down a little bit. You can see the case has that backing on there. It has like a almost like a honeycomb rubbery substance, which is good. Let's turn this over, and then this is going to be the actual folio part of it. So we can just unfold it like this and open it up. So you can see here, the tablet will go here. Yeah, the tablet will go here. So let's go ahead and put the tablet inside of here, and then we'll go through some of the features of the case. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get started here. You got some protective film that you'll pull right off. And we'll set that to the side. And as you can see right here, there's another peel off, and this is going to be for the fingerprint reader that's underneath the actual glass of the tablet. Right here is where you'll be able to just take that TPU off. And I must say, this, just by taking this off, this is actually one of the first cases like this that has this piece where it was easy to pull off. Like I've had other cases and they were extremely tough to pull off. Well, let me go into this real quick. This is the screen protector accessories. Let's go ahead and open this up. Let's see what's in there. So they give you the microfiber cloth. This little tape stuff right here is just to help take off the lint, and then an alcohol pad. So I have a gang of those, but this has the honeycomb design on the inside of it. So should you accidentally drop the case, that design will help disperse the shock away from the tablet. So that's minimizing the damage to your tablet. As you can see right there, it says drop protection, MIL STD 8100 to 51 or 516.8. Not sure what that means. Maybe that's a rating or something. But anyway, let's go ahead and get the tablet put in here. Yeah, so we'll put the tablet, and you'll know which way to put the tablet because right here is where your S Pen goes when you go to charge it up. So let's go ahead and put that tablet in there. Hold on, I forgot the other piece. Hold on. The cool thing about this video is that we make the mistakes together just like I just did. So you want to put this on the tablet first. So let's go ahead and put that on there, and it snaps right on there. It's nice, tight, and snug. You want to make sure the fingerprint reader's down here. And then, oops, there we go. Then we'll put the case inside of the TPU. And you want to just make sure that everything is fitted on here. One more thing, let me get my S Pen. S Pen was in the other case. So we'll close this up first. Whoops. I have limited space, y'all. and you can see where to put your S Pen. So you put the S Pen in there, it actually has a holder, so it'll hold the S Pen in place, and then for extra security, it'll cover that S Pen. Of course, you have the cutouts for your camera, and all in all, this case is it. Now, you know, Poetic, you know, I'm doing this for them, but I mean, my opinions are my own with this case. I'm sorry, I got tongue twisted there for a second. My opinions are my own for this case, so they didn't pay me or anything like that, but even if they did, I'm still going to give you my opinion of the case. And so far, compared to what I normally have my tablet in, this is a nice, sturdier feeling case than what I had. I like the grippiness, the texture of the case. Then let's go here. We actually needed to peel this off, and I did not peel this off. So let me peel this part off, because then we're going to do a finger test on here to make sure that it reads it pretty well. All right, we got that on. I just wanted to mention that the cutouts, the raised button cutouts, perfect cutouts. You got the cutouts for the speakers. And again, I do apologize for the limited amount of space for this video. Hopefully future videos won't have this issue. Sorry. And the cutout for the charging port and the other two speakers. So let's go ahead and open this up. And we're going to power this on. So we're going to let that power on. You can already see that the screen protector itself is a fingerprint magnet. So it's definitely going to get some fingerprints, but I mean, I'm good with the fingerprints being on here because one, you can easily clean them off with the microfiber cloth that they put in there. I'm not going to do all that. And two, just by double tapping, I already know that this screen protector is doing this thing. Hold on. So much for that. I'll change it. Hold on. Putting in the code, y'all. Okay, so now we're gonna do the test. So we'll put the tablet to sleep. And it should be right about here. And I was a little off because that came up a little slow, so let's try it down here. It's good that we're doing this test so you guys can see. Now, there is a little bit of a delay with this. Usually, I can just get on here and it turns it right on, but as you can see here, there's a little bit of a delay. But it's not so detrimental that, you know, it's, you know, nothing negative. At least in my opinion, it's not. I think it does a fine job considering that there's an extra layer on top of the actual glass that reads your thumbprint. So that's good there. And And all in all, this case, this is an excellent case. I didn't mention at the top of the video the name of this case. This one is called the Explorer, and it comes in 3 different colors. You can get it in navy blue, which is what I have here, which on the screen to you might look like a teal green, but it's a navy blue. It also comes in the standard black color, and it also comes in a red color. So I got the navy blue one, and like I said, out of everything with this case, I think the one thing that I like the most is how it houses the S Pen. I mean, it's already locked into place, but then it gives you just a little bit of extra protection with that flap that covers the S Pen. But this is the Poetic Explorer for the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. This is the 12.4-inch tablet from Samsung, and this is really sturdy. I would feel more confident if this slipped out of my hands and it dropped than the solution that I had previously before getting this case. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go into the other case, which is for the Samsung Tab A7, and that case is called the Revolution. So let's go ahead and get into that one right now. Alright, so right off the bat, you can tell it's a smaller box, obviously, because it's for a smaller tablet. The A7 is a 10.4 inch tablet. So we'll go ahead and open this bad boy up. And inside the box, it kind of tells you how to put the tablet in there. And this is it right here. Now, again, I don't have a Tab A tablet, so I'm not gonna just take off all the plastic, but I do want you to see that it does have the correct cutouts. Right here will be where you take it out and take that tab out and plug it in to charge it, and then you'll have the correct cutouts for everything else that has to do with that tablet. Now, this is a hard plastic, as you can see right there, with the Poetic branding on the bottom. You also have that Poetic logo right there. And then it also has, where it says Revolution, it's a kickstand. So you can kickstand that bad boy up. Put the camera up some. You can kickstand it up. So if you have to do some work, if you have like a Bluetooth keyboard connected to your tablet, Bluetooth mouse, or you're just sitting there watching movies or whatever, it has that kickstand. And the kickstand is really nice and sturdy. Okay, so that's metal right there. Again, from experience, I've had kickstand cases before, and I've had a couple of that are broken because this piece right here was plastic, but this is metal. So that's a nice surprise for this case. And as you can see, it has the rubberized TPU around it, or that hard shell, rather, I'm sorry, that hard shell piece around it. And you just pretty much take this piece off, take the plastic off, take the packing out, put your tablet in there, and then you're good to go. And you even have the cutout for the camera. Now, as you can see on these three corners right here, I would have liked to have seen these have like a little bit of rubber, just a small piece of rubber to go around them, because if you're laying the tablet down like this and something jars, and you can see how it's kind of it can easily slide on the table, like of this texture. But I think if they would have had like rubber pieces right here, that would have been cool to have. But other than that, this is a very nice case. Again, this is the Revolution case from Poetic. You can get these, I believe, in black, which is here, and blue. So it is a two-piece case. You put your tablet in there, you put the screen protector part on top, and then you'll just snap it in. It'll be good to go. As always, thanks for taking some time out to watch my videos. If you like the video, go ahead and smash that like button. And if you subscribe to the channel, make sure you click on the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload my next video. I know these nighttime videos can be kind of quirky at times, but they will get better, I promise you. But again, this is from Poetic. I'll throw links down below. The links that I do throw down there, they are not affiliate links. I'm not affiliated in any kind of way with Amazon or any of that. So there's no commissions to be had. But take a look at these cases and take a look at their other products they have for mobile phones and watches. And Poetic even has a collection, so you should check that out too. But as always, thanks for taking the time out to watch my videos. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment. If you subscribe to the channel, make sure you click on the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload my next video. And until next time, this is Official Keith. You're now official, and we will see you later.